Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Google Play Games error occurred. Google Play Games acting up right when you're trying to sign in or sync progress. Yeah, that timing always feels suspicious. When that happens, I usually start with the basics, closing the app completely and reopening it. If it's still stuck, I go into my phone settings, find Google Play Games, and hit force stop. It's like giving the app a quick reset. Next, I clear the cache because leftover data can sometimes mess things up without warning. After that, I double check my internet because even a slightly unstable connection can break sign-ins or syncing. If videos are lagging, chances are that's the issue. I also make sure the app is updated through the Play Store, just in case I'm running an older version. And if nothing works, switching to another Google account briefly can sometimes reset things behind the scenes. Quick tip: restarting your phone can fix more than you'd expect. It's boring but surprisingly effective. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.